Welcome to our channel, the Trend Finder. So here in our channel, we'll be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis every day, as well as the stocks to trade for tomorrow's intraday session. So now let us start with the Nifty analysis. So for Nifty, if you watch the previous video, we had clearly given certain levels. So we had given a level of 11,750. So if there is a dip towards this particular level, we had asked everyone to buy the Nifty long. So but unfortunately Nifty gave a gap up opening and it corrected towards 11,780 and it started bouncing again. So for tomorrow's trading session, if Nifty breaks this particular level, which is set today around 11,790, we can see some correction towards 11,750, which is a 50-point gap in Nifty. And on the upside, in order for the Nifty to cross, it should open or it should move above 11,900 in order to make new highs in the Nifty index. So until these levels gets broken, if you may see Nifty being consolidated between 800 to 900 levels. So this is for the Nifty intraday chart. And if you look at the 1 hour chart, you can clearly see that there is a swing high earlier in Nifty index, which was 11,800. We talked about this particular level in our last video, and we were expecting Nifty to reach 11,800 today in the session. But Nifty had actually gapped up because of global cues and it has opened above 11,800. So if you look at the last 1 hour candle in Nifty, so you can clearly see 11,800 is being acted as a support for the Nifty level. So go short only if Nifty breaks this level, otherwise go long on every dip in Nifty. So this is for the Nifty index, friends. So now let us look at the Bank Nifty chart. So in Bank Nifty also we were bullish from yesterday, and we spoke about this particular level, which is 22,500, and Bank Nifty gave a good breakout yesterday and it has rallied towards 23,000. And in the previous video we talked about this particular level, 23,300. So this was our first target in Bank Nifty, and if you can clearly see there, you can see a zone which is a buy sell zone in the Bank Nifty index. So this is a good zone. If we draw the zone, so 23,500 to 23,400 approximately. So this is a gap zone in Bank Nifty. So you can see Bank Nifty be might have some resistance towards this gap zone. So otherwise, if 23,500 gets broken, you can see new highs towards 24,000. So on the downside, if there is a breakdown of yesterday's I'd say today's low, so you can see some more correction in Bank Nifty towards this particular level, which is 22,600. This is for the positional setup, friends. So now let us look how you can play in the intraday for tomorrow. So if you look at this particular level in the Bank Nifty, which was 23,000, this will act as a support in intraday for tomorrow. and you can see this level 23,500 will act as a resistance level in the bank nifty. So if the index trades in between these two levels, simply avoid, wait for a breakout or a breakdown and take the trade. So I hope these videos are useful to you, friends. Please give a like and please subscribe to our channel, and please share it with your friends. And all the information that we share is only for educational purpose, and we are not associated with any of your profit and loss. Thank you, friends.